for this DIY, here are the things that we are going to need. So we need tinsel garlands, you know, the Christmas garlands. I think that the chunky ones are really better. So if you have the chunky ones, or you can find the chunky ones, go for it. So we need tinsel garlands, we need a wire hanger. This is the most important item in this DIY. And you need some wire hooks, and you need, of course, I think the most important part is the chocolates. So without the chocolates, this will not be a chocolate Christmas garland or Christmas wreath. So we need chocolates, and I think you can also put, you know, the biscuits, like small biscuits. Yeah, that is perfect. And some decorations, any decorations that you like that you can add. For me, I am going to add ribbons. I have like big ribbons here and the small ones. So yeah, these are the things that we are going to need to do this DIY. So the first step is you need a hanger wire, any hanger wire, and you need to shape it into circle. I think this is close to circle. Here is the circle shaped wire hanger. You don't have to worry like to make it a perfect shape, because nothing is perfect. First of all, no one is perfect. So yeah, and if we cover it with the tinsel garland, with the Christmas garland, it will not show. So yeah, so for the second step, we are going to need some tinsel or Christmas garland, and we will wrap it all over the wire hanger. Yeah, so you start from here, and going round and round and round and round. So I'm gonna go and do it now. So it looks like this. Well, you cannot see the okay, this looks weird, this part, so I might remove this part. This part looks weird up in here, so I am going to remove it. You can choose to cover like this part, but for me, I feel like it looks weird if you cannot see this. So I am going to leave it like this. You see the idea now? After the second step, our Christmas wreath should look like this or this. This one is bigger. I don't know why, but yeah. It should look like that. Now, third step is we're gonna fill this with chocolates, because it's a chocolate wreath. You will need some wires, you know, the hook wires, like this wires, and the chocolates. So for the chocolates, you can either tie two chocolates together so it will look like this, and you can just like wire or secure it here, or you can do it one by one. You can do it one by one like this, but for me, I think it's best to put them together rather than one. So I don't know, for me it looks much nicer and it's easier than to tie its chocolate one by one. So I usually put them together, 2 chocolates together. So when you're done, you just tie it here. This, so here is the wire, and you just basically wrap it around the hanger, and fill it in. After putting all the chocolates all over the wire hanger, all over the wreath, it should look like this. Now look at that. Oh my gosh. Who will not be happy receiving this? Don't mind that, that's a lot. I mean, look at that. Look at those chocolates. Oh heaven. I'm so happy. So it should look like that. Now, I didn't put here and here because that's where I'm going to put decoration, my additional decoration. So the last step is putting decoration. For me, I'm choosing to put a ribbon here, down here, and a small ribbon up there. So for the last step, you can decorate it however you want. It's all up to you, and you can give it as a present. That's super easy, affordable, and I think that anyone who will receive this will be like, wow. Last Christmas, I made this for my teachers, and when I gave it to them, their reactions, it's just priceless. They literally hugged me and were like jumping in joy. After the last step, it's finally done. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so I'm ready to see the finished product. 3, 2, 1. This is it. This is the DIY. A DIY chocolate treat, a present for Christmas, an easy, affordable, and really nice gift for Christmas. Oh, look at that. Chocolates, and ribbons. So this is the DIY. And here is the other one. You can't really see the chocolates, so it's there. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you do, and yeah, I hope I helped you in some way. Now you have an idea what to give to someone you love this Christmas season. And yeah, again, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell, and comment down below. And thank you so much for watching and clicking my video. Again, I'm really, really grateful to have you here. Don't forget that you are so loved, especially by Jesus. Merry Christmas.